Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing and verifying GNU Screen so the automation has a stable runtime. Create a named session with Screenr Auto Session to identify it later. This matters when multiple services run. Once created, run your initial command inside the session and detach using Ctrl+D so it continues in background. Make sure to choose a memorable name and check permissions on scripts you plan to run so Screen can execute them without interactive prompts or password blocks. Next, write a robust shell script that uses absolute paths and has executable permission. This prevents failures when Screen runs in a minimal environment. Start it detached using screendms auto session /path/to/script so you avoid manual interaction. Once working, integrate with cron or systemd timers to relaunch after reboot or on failure. Systemd gives better restart controls. Also log stdout/stdir to files so you can inspect behavior later. Make sure environment variables are explicitly set inside the script. Finally, reattach with Screenr auto session when you need to inspect or intervene. This preserves the running process. If you must stop it, send a safe quit with Screenr auto session xquit or terminate the script process. Avoid killing parent processes blindly. Once done, verify with Screenrs and review the log files you set up. If scripts fail immediately, check shebang lines, permissions, and path differences. Those are the usual culprits. If reconnecting fails, ensure no stale sockets remain and remove them if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.